Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just here to unbox an Energon battery and storage as well as charger kit. Now if you watch to the end of the video, I'll show you exactly what's in the box and I'll give you some thoughts on the product itself and some of the reasons why you might consider something like this. But yeah, let's open this up and check it out. Okay, so we've got the actual unit itself, which is a combination charger and storage kit, a instruction manual, and batteries. So I'll just get them out, close that lid, put it there. Okay, so yeah, the batteries are the colour that they showed when I saw them online. It's an interesting colour. I guess there's no way to mix them up with something else, so not going to mix them up with the standard Canon ones, that's for sure. But these are LP-E17 batteries. So let's just have a look at this unit. So you've got a display, an LCD display, which you can see even when the unit's closed. Let's just open that up. Okay, so you've got 2 slots for SD card. Let's just have a look. Let me can find a card. All right, let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so SD card. That fits in there quite well. So it goes down quite deep. Definitely fits in there and closes. So then you've got your battery. One battery slide in here. Another one on this side. So you can have 2 SD cards and your 2 batteries. And you can see what's happening from the outside here. Now, something you may wonder, like, why not just have a normal charger, or which I've got as well? Why would you get something like this? Well, if you're traveling a lot, especially if you're flying, you need to keep your batteries in your carry-on. You don't ever put these in checked baggage. Doesn't matter, even though it's a small battery, even in a cover. You should try and take it onto your on board. Now, this serves another function, which is to hold the batteries in a way that they can't short out. So if you just throw them loosely in your camera bag and you've got keys and other things in there, you know, a knife, even USB cable or something, potentially they could short out. So you're either going to have to put them inside some plastic or just carry them in something like this. Keeps it nice and neat. You can charge them at the same time. You can see what sort of charge is in the battery as well. So yeah, they serve multiple purposes, not just as a charger. So that's why you would consider something like this. That's why I bought this. I've got another one for my larger batteries, not on this brand, a different brand. But it works quite well, but it doesn't have a easy to see display like this. It just relies on LED lights. But it's also quite good because it holds the batteries together. So I just can quickly pick it up. I know I've got 2 charged batteries in there, put it in my bag and yeah, just carry it with me. It's easier to have a couple of these in your bag than it is to just throw them in loose and then you've got to try and dig them out. So that's my thoughts on it. If you've got any questions or anything, put it in the comments below. I'll answer any questions that you've got if I can. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.